Who should we test for COVID-19? Thank you to Senior Action for inviting me to answer this question. I'm Joseph Reardon and I'm an emergency physician in Greenville, South Carolina. One of our astute seniors asked, "We can't test everybody all at once, so who do we test? Since maybe more than half of the people who have had COVID-19 never had symptoms." We'll start by addressing who should get tested for the COVID-19 virus. For most epidemics of disease, there are two reasons to get tested. One, so you can get treated, and two, so you can avoid spreading the disease to others. We'll start with the second reason. People with COVID-19 are shedding the virus for days before and after they develop symptoms. All of the lab tests on the market currently have a false negative rate that ranges between 5 and 25%. So testing negative for COVID-19 does not mean that you are 100% safe or that you haven't had the virus. The only effective advice to prevent giving COVID-19 to others is to practice good physical distancing and hygiene. Many seniors are asking what treatments are available for COVID-19. As of today, April 26th, there are still no FDA-approved treatments for COVID-19. There are plenty of experimental treatments out there, including treatments that we're researching at my own workplace. But these are all experimental. If you have symptoms of COVID-19, I encourage you to talk to your doctor to see if your doctor advises testing, or if you qualify for a clinical trial. Or you can go to www.clinicaltrials.gov to see if you qualify. Some of our patients are asking if they should be tested for COVID-19 antibodies. Antibodies are produced by the body after an infection, and for most diseases, a positive antibody test means that you won't get infected with the disease again. Some people have proposed that those with a positive antibody test should be allowed to end their isolation and end their physical distancing. Unfortunately, mass COVID-19 antibody testing is not yet a good option for at least three reasons. First, these tests are not FDA regulated or checked. We have reports of tests that are being wildly inaccurate with false positives and false negatives. Second, we don't know if the antibodies are enough to protect you from getting COVID-19 again. Third, we've discovered that there are several strains of COVID-19 virus in the world, and we don't know if immunity to the strain currently in our community will protect you from the strains that have yet to hit us. We are mourning the loss of our seniors that have already died from this disease, and we are doing everything we can to protect the rest of our community. Unfortunately, physical distancing will be here for a long time. Fortunately for us, in 2020, we have plenty of ways to stay connected and grow during this very unusual time. Thanks again to Greenville Senior Action for the opportunity to respond to these questions. I'm Dr. Joseph Reardon, and you can contact me in my email here, reardojm@greenvillemed.sc.edu. Thank you.